My humble pranams to Dr. Virendra Hegde ji and all the dignitaries on the dais. Dr. Hegde ji, who is a pioneer in India to have started wellness education through their naturopathy degree courses in STM colleges, we really value your great contribution in reaching the drugless therapy approach to common man, sir. And with this, I would like to start about wellness. Wellness is the state of being in good health, especially as an actively pursued goal. But how far do we understand wellness? Let me just explain you a scenario in our ancient days. Physical wellness, mental wellness, and spiritual wellness was achieved through our culture, Vedic studies, food and nutrition, yoga and meditation, social well-being, and with a balanced lifestyle. Our culture had all the answers for our challenges. Now we have distanced ourselves from our prakriti, that is the nature, and also distanced ourselves from our samskriti, that is our culture. So today we are in a very stressed environment compared to our earlier ancestors, and also in spite of all the advancement in lifestyle and technology, we are nowhere. We are not happy, even like 20% of what our elders were. So WHO has declared majority of the diseases are psychosomatic in nature. Mental health plays a major role, and we have many practitioners who are taking care of our physical health. But what about our complete wellness and all aspects of our physical, emotional, spiritual wellness? Who are going to address these concerns? So the healthcare practitioners should work on a holistic healthcare model and address all aspects of wellness. We have a lot of naturopathy doctors here. I am thankful to principal of SDM College, Naturopathy College, who have cooperated with us and sent so many naturopathy college students here. I am sure they all agree with us that there is a gap and need to create such holistic wellness programs for healthcare practitioners today. And no better day we can dream of other than today to launch this event. I am giving my humble pranams to Dr. Virendra Hegde ji. So, yeah, let's launch this program today, and we need support from all our people to see that the healthcare practitioners follow the holistic healthcare model. Thank you everybody for supporting such a movement in holistic healthcare.
I have been talking about holistic wellness for the last 45 years because we introduced, I am the president of a allopathy college, a university, medical university in Dharwad. I have 3 Ayurveda colleges and 3 naturopathy hospitals and a college. I was the first to start the naturopathy college in the world. The idea was holistic. So every time I talked about this, it is said that we are focusing on the human beings, welfare of the human being, the happiness of the human being. He is the focus. We are not worried about the system, whether it is allopathy, whether it is homeopathy, whether it is Ayurveda or naturopathy. These pathis don't bother us. What happens is the focal point is the human being. So I always used to say, let us have this holistic approach. So I started in our medical college in Dharwad, a Ayurveda section, a naturopathy section, so that if somebody wants to have wellness, not only through treatment but also through other practices, we said you can have naturopathy treatment here, you can have Ayurveda treatment here, whatever system you want, you can have it. Or the directors can say, go there, go here. So the enmity and competition between the systems should vanish. So today you have made this effort to compete between these systems, but to see that every human being is kept happy and well. So wellness is the health, it is from the physical wellness, mental wellness and spiritual wellness. So we wish that this Vedic Wellness University is being a human service to the world by spreading the knowledge of Indian history and culture, heritage. So I wish that in the future I am committed to this Vedic wellness and also holistic wellness. So we will be spreading this message of holistic wellness throughout the world, and we will have all the systems together in one campus, one building, under one roof, so that any patient or anybody comes for any healing, it is possible. In Dharmasala, we do the holistic approach every day. So I am happy that he referred to that holistic approach in the temple here. So in the future, we will see that holistic wellness should be our aim, our goal in the world. We wish all the citizens of the world peace, prosperity and wellness. May Manjunath Swami bless you. I thank you